can you complete all 20 words using the real TOEFL Lab interface? This is free TOEFL reading practice to complete the words passages, 10 blanks each, live on TOEFLLab.com. Read the full passage first, then we solve each blank one at a time. Time's up, let's check the answers. Nice work. That was round 1. Round 2 is a little more challenging, so use the full sentence and the surrounding context. You can practice more tasks like this anytime at TOEFLLab.com. Time's up, let's check the answers. That's both passages, all 20 words, straight from the real TOEFL Lab interface. You can keep practicing TOEFL reading, listening, speaking, and writing at TOEFLLab.com. Subscribe to TOEFL Lab, and I'll see you in the next practice.